Hey, welcome back. Today, I'm showing you how to create a PDF template using Canva. And listen, this right here, this is a game changer if you're selling digital products. All right, let's get into it. So first things first, quick heads up, I do have another video where I break down how to create your instruction sheet. For this video, I already have mine set up and ready for my customers. Now let's move over to the template. Right here, I've got a graduation template ready to go. What you want to do is head up to the top and click Share. Once that menu opens, scroll down just a bit until you see Template Link. Now, important note, you will need Canva Pro for this part. Go ahead and click Template Link, then select Create Link. Boom, just like that. Your template link is ready. Next, hit Copy Link. Now we're going to bring it all together. Head back over to your instruction sheet. This is where you're going to connect everything for your customer. Click on your button, right-click, and you'll see a panel pop up. Scroll down, click Link, and you'll see an empty box. Paste your template link right there and hit Done. And just like that, your button is now clickable. Clean, simple, professional. Now here's a little trick I like to use. I actually embed the link twice on the button. Why? Because we're thinking ahead. If one link ever glitches or doesn't respond, your customer still has another way in. We're making this experience smooth. Now let's level it up one more time. You can also embed your link directly into text. So if you have something like click here, just highlight it, go to link, paste your link again, and hit Done. Same process, same result, more flexibility. Now, if you're creating a multi-page or multi-template PDF, just repeat this process. Head to your next template, create your link, copy it, and drop it into your instruction sheet the same way. Once everything is linked and ready to go, you're going to download your file as a PDF standard. Don't change anything else. Just keep it simple and download with all pages included. And that's it. You're done. If you need more help with downloading your PDF or setting up your instruction sheet, check out my other video. I walk you through it step by step. All right, that's all for today. If this helped you out, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. It really helps the channel grow. Peace and prosperity to all my crafty creators.